What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be making a dining table, which is a 4-seater. We are going also to be making 4 chairs for the dining table, and this was a round dining table. These are the materials that I'm going to be using. I have this prepared, this fluted panel. It's a 9mm MDF board, and I have the rest as I've shown you. These are the other materials that I'm going to be using, so make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and materials. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. So the first thing I had to do was cut this top. It's a rounded top, yeah, and I had to cut it. And now, as you can see, I'm starting by priming it, because I usually start by sanding, priming the board, and then do the final paint. So that is what I'm going to be showing you during the DIY today. So now I'm also going to be starting doing the joinery part, and for this DIY I'm going to be using 2-inch nails, also 1-inch nails. I'm going to be using a hammer as usual and cutting these round pieces of MDFs here. I usually use a jigsaw, so you will need to have a jigsaw to cut these circular parts. And I have these 2x1 pieces of wood that I'm going to be using. And also I'm going to be using a wood glue for this DIY. So just keep watching the video, because I've shown you or explained everything during the video. It's if you watch the video, I'm sure you will understand what I did. Then the other thing that I usually get asked is how I make this fluted piece of MDF board. So the first thing that you need is a 9mm MDF board. So this one is a 9mm MDF board. As you can see, it has some lines, so you usually just draw your lines and leave a gap in between, a gap of 1 inch, that is. So you can just draw those lines 1 inch, and then you draw the line, you skip another 1 inch, you draw another line, 1 inch, you draw another line. So later on you will come with the router machine, if you know what is called a router machine. Then use the router machine to cut through those lines so that you can achieve something like this. So the bit that you are going to be using, because the router usually uses different bits, you are going to be using a V-shape bit for the rotor to cut through the lines. You just follow the lines that you have drawn. That is you draw the line and then you skip 1 inch gap, you draw another line. So you just follow through the lines that you have drawn, and then you will achieve this fluted. So the purpose for this is for the design. The other thing is so that when you cut your 9mm board like this, it will be very easier for it to fold or go around the round MDF boards that you did cut. So that is basically what I usually do during these DIYs. The other thing was you do a lot of sanding. You need to sand your work so that it can come out very neatly. And then I decided to start priming it using this water-based primer. After priming it, you just sand it so that it can become very smooth, and then you use another primer. I usually use a machine primer a CNC primer, not CNC, this primer for the cars. I usually use a machine to do my paintwork. After priming it, the other thing that we'll do is now paint with the paint that you want to go with, either white or black. But for this one, the theme was black and white, so I'm going to be painting it black, and then after that I'm going to be making the chairs. So these are the frames for the chairs that we are making. So it's just a step-by-step illustration on how you can do or make this 4-seater dining table for yourself. So if you can watch the video till the end, I'm sure you will understand how I did go by making this 4-seater dining table. So after making the chairs, we are going to be doing some paintwork, and then the rest of the things you're just going to be watching as the video goes by. So don't forward the video, kindly watch till the end of the video. Thank you so much. Tell me in the comment section what you think about the whole process, and don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and see you in my next videos.